All right, real quick, I am out and about this morning and I just came across this, what looks to be vintage abandoned Magic Chef air conditioner. There's your fan and fan motor. You can see some weeds and stuff growing into it. Bunch of dirt compacted on top of the coil. I don't know if this thing has a data sheet anymore, but if I had to guess, I'd say this is late 70s or early 80s. It's probably be on the back, but if it is, I'm not going to be able to get to it. Slanted backwards off its patio. And we have this 60s or 70s, I believe, Lennox central air conditioner. Logo's gone, as is the data sheet, I believe. Oh no, it's still there. I just don't think it's legible anymore. The coils are still in good shape, but this is easily 50 years old. Compressor's obviously in there. Just had to stop and film these two because these are almost extinct at this point. These old Lennoxes and the Magic Chefs. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get going now, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching.